You know, the term timeless gets thrown around a lot in design, like it's a marketing word rather than a real living thing. But some paint colors truly are timeless. They work in nearly any space, with almost any style across decades. They're not trendy flashes that age poorly. They're the colors that make a house feel elegant, curated, and effortless without screaming, "Look at me, I just got painted. I'm so pretty."
Paint me and tell me I'm pretty!
Today I'm sharing 5 paint colors that genuinely never go out of style. A mix of neutrals, a white, and a couple of deeper, bolder tones. All selected because they behave predictably, they pair beautifully, and feel luxurious without trying too hard. Starting with Benjamin Moore Wind's Breath. Wind's Breath is a soft, whisper light grayish, the kind of neutral that's so versatile it can live in virtually any room. What makes it timeless is its balance. It leans neither too warm nor too cool, and in different lighting, it adapts beautifully. Morning light brings out subtle creamy warmth, midday light reveals a delicate gray softness, evening shadows deepen it just enough to feel cozy. Pair it with creamy whites for trim like cloud white or white dove or even simply white to create soft contrast. It works on walls, in hallways, in living rooms, even bedrooms. You can change your furniture, art, or accessories a dozen times, and Wind's Breath will always play nicely. It's safe, but it's never boring. If you need a little more color inspiration, check out our palette pyramid service where we create custom color palettes for you based on your needs, your wants. Whether you need a 3-color palette, 6, or even more, we can accommodate you. And as part of the service, I even send you a personalized video explaining how the colors all work together. People love them. We're getting more and more demand. So while my workload is still manageable, check the link down below and secure your palette pyramid today. Next, Sherwin-Williams Soft Suede. Now this is a muted taupe that feels like a hug without being cloying or annoying. It has warm brown undertones with just enough gray to read modern, so it's not stuck in a beige rut. Mid-depth neutrals like this are rare because they can be too warm or too cool, but Soft Suede manages the middle ground perfectly. Awesome for spaces where you want warmth but don't want to commit to a strongly colored wall. Kitchens and family rooms, even offices can benefit from this color. Paired with bright white trim, it gives structure and polish. Paired with darker wood accents, it feels sophisticated and intentional. Soft Suede is cozy, calm, and never goes out of style. Farrow and Ball's Schoolhouse White. White can be tricky. Too blue, too yellow, too stark, and that's why Schoolhouse White earns a spot here, because it's soft, creamy, and forgiving. Unlike ultra bright whites, it never feels stark or sterile. It's ideal for walls, trim, even ceilings, and it gives a subtle warmth that complements natural woods and metals beautifully. Its timeless quality comes from its neutrality without neutrality being boring. It pairs well with almost any other color, whether you throw deep green at it, mid-tone neutrals, moody blues. It's the Swiss Army knife of whites, and because it doesn't pull too heavily in any one direction, it works year-round and in any lighting condition. Next, we have Benjamin Moore's Knoxville Gray, getting a bit darker here. This is a moody blue-green color that reads as deep, rich, and sophisticated. And unlike trendy, moody colors that can feel dated in a couple of years, Knoxville Gray is grounded enough to feel intentional across decades. It works particularly well in spaces that need drama, but not darkness, if that makes sense. Accent walls, offices, libraries, or even dining rooms benefit from its depth. The subtle blue-green undertone is strong enough to add character, but not so strong that it'll dominate the space. Pair it with crisp whites, it'll pop. Pair it with warm woods and soft neutrals, it creates harmony. Knoxville Gray is just one of those colors that elevates a room without making you question your choices later. Finally, we have Sherwin-Williams Iron Ore, a deep velvety charcoal that isn't quite black. This is the ultimate dark neutral to me because it gives a sense of architectural weight without feeling oppressive. Iron Ore works beautifully for doors, trim, cabinetry, accent walls, and even exteriors. Its versatility is what makes it feel timeless to me. In a light-filled room, it reads sophisticated. In a darker space, it becomes cozy and grounding. Paired with creamy whites, soft neutrals, or even deep jewel tones, it always feels intentional and awesome. The common thread among these 5 colors is balance. They're adaptable, they behave well in various lighting conditions, their undertones aren't so obvious that they dominate a space, but subtle enough to give personality. They pair well with multiple trim and furniture options. Most importantly, they age gracefully. Pick any of these, test them in your space, observe how they shift with light, and you'll have a palette that lasts years without feeling stale.